Craving and hunger both are completely different. We crave for sweet, we crave for chocolate, we crave for gulab jamun or jalebi, but we never crave for fruits or nuts or maybe any good food, right? But when you're hungry, you're pretty much good to go with any kind of food. Yes, so today we are going to discuss about our midnight craving, midnight hunger, and what are the foods we can have, what are the foods are big no in the midnight. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Hello everyone, welcome to Wellness Munch. So today let's discuss about our midnight food choices. Now let's categorize the food, right? Let's talk about the cereal first, or the grain products. Like what are the rice and rice products, or what are the wheat and wheat products, or any cereal products that are safe to consume at the midnight. To go with the first one which is coming in immediately in my mind is murmura. It is available throughout the India, anywhere you go, right? So keep tin of murmura handy so that whenever in the midnight you are feeling hungry, you can satisfy your hunger with murmura. But how much of it? Maybe 4 to 5 handful of it, not more than that. So 4 to 5 handful of murmura or khoi or khil, makhana or wheat puffs, or even 2 handful of roasted churwa. These are a very good choices for cereal to have in the midnight. If you are very hungry, you can even consider having a oat smoothie. Quickly, you can make it and you can satisfy your hunger. How to do that? You can add oats and milk, maybe half banana. Just put it in the mixture and then you're good to go. It's not going to give you more calorie, but it is very filling and very healthy. Now talking about the pulses, like what kind of pulse you can have midnight. Maybe 2 handful of roasted chana. If you're blessed with a great digestion capacity, sattu drink also you may consider at the midnight. Apart from that, maybe a handful of dry nuts and seeds. That is also very good option instead of munching on bhujia and biscuits. If you're a milk fan and again you're blessed with digesting milk, then you can also consider having a cup of warm milk. Only cup of warm milk without adding any Bonvita or Horlicks or Complan in it. Now if you're not a fan of milk flavor, then what you can do, you can add a piece of turmeric, make a turmeric milk. But if you're making turmeric milk, do not forget to add a pinch of black pepper in it. When there is black pepper and turmeric, the reaction is great. You can also consider having nutmeg milk or maybe sattu milk, for that matter. It's going to be very, very filling. Have it little, not much, maybe a small cup, but you can still consider sattu milk at night if you can digest well. Apart from that, maybe a boiled anda or maybe some egg bhurji, quickly you can make and satisfy yourself. Or you can also consider having some kind of herbal tea like chamomile tea or any herbal tea for that matter. If nothing is there, just consider having a banana. There is another midnight snack is hot chocolate. What most of the people make a mistake that they buy just a hot chocolate, but before buying, please see whether that is unsweetened or not. Otherwise, what happens? Half of the hot chocolate available in the market are loaded with sugar. What I will suggest, rather go for the unsweetened cocoa powder, make your own drink with milk, and maybe you can consider adding a spoon of sugar in it. But how much of sugar you are going to put into it, that should be in your control. Now, what kind of food are the worst choices for midnight? I know it is going to break your heart, but yes, all kind of instant noodles, instant pasta or instant soup for that matter are the worst choice. Why? They're loaded with sugar, loaded with sodium. So the next day you might feel very bloated and you have no idea why am I feeling bloated and why my weight is up. Right? So please avoid all kind of instant food, be it instant fruit juice or instant vegetable juice. That is also not a great choice to have in the midnight. And of course, you have to get rid of this craving of biscuit. Half of the population in India probably go for biscuits if feeling hungry at the midnight. Let me tell you, that's the worst kind of a choice one can make for themselves. Please do not have biscuits, not in a day or not even in the midnight. Apart from that, people also feel for ice cream or any kind of sugar or sugar containing product, maybe sweet, maybe a piece of cake for that matter. Stay away from this kind of highly sugar containing food at the midnight. If you really want to have it, it's maybe a better idea to have it in the morning, but certainly not at the midnight. Why? Because that is the time when your body is trying to heal, your body is trying to make the repairment, and that is not the time when you load up your system with unwanted food ingredients. Now, how you can control this kind of craving? Because no matter what, eating anything after your dinner is not actually advisable. Now, what happened many times, we are so bogged down with our work that we have to keep continuing working till midnight, right? If that is the case for you, I understand. But if you're somebody who is just passing time on social media, compromising your sleep, it is not actually a wise choice to make. You will be facing the consequence in the coming years. In fact, set your sleep cycle well. If you're getting craving too often, it indicates that your gut health is at risk. Now, how you can fix your gut health? Number one, you have to stay away from all kind of refined sugar, refined salt, refined oil. That means, in short, you have to be away from all kind of ultra processed and packaged food. Heartbreaking, but that's the reality. Number one. Number two, you have to fix your gut health, right? Now, how can you fix it? Number one, please consider having prebiotics and probiotics. No, I'm not going to suggest any commercial product for that. Rather, everything is available in your kitchen. So please be wise and take very small, simple steps to fix your problem. Add a lot of whole grain in your diet, pulses, variety in pulses, nuts and seeds, raw fruits and vegetables, maybe in the form of vegetable fruit juice, which will act as a prebiotic for your gut, and at the same time introduce some probiotic in your diet. Again, not talking about any commercial food. Simple fermented food like dosa, idli, kanji, or fermented rice, like overnight soaked fermented rice. Summer is coming, this is the best time to have fermented rice, right? Just soak a handful of rice in water. Do not keep it in the refrigerator, keep it outside and let it get ferment. And then next day morning, have the rice along with the water. That's the best kind of fermented product you can have quickly, but which is very, very effective. Apart from that, curd or dahi is our best friend for that matter. Add buttermilk or chas or lassi or just normal curd rice or curd to provide the continuous source of probiotic in your diet. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. The drill is very simple and I bet you know it. So better do it now. Alright, we will be back very soon. Till then, stay happily healthy. Bye.